Hello! In this tutorial, I will show you how to publish pages to the web in Notion. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to publish pages to the web in Notion. The first thing you need to do is to sign into Notion, which of course I have done right here. Then navigate to the page you want to publish by selecting it from your sidebar or creating a new page in Notion. Click on this button to create a new page. Head over to the sidebar to select an existing page. I have selected to do. Now let's plunge headward. Once you open the page, which we have here, in the top right corner of the page, you will see the share button, which is here. Go ahead and click this button to open the sharing options. Okay, now that we are here, in the updated Notion interface, which is what we're currently using, you will find the publish button at the top right corner of the page, which is here, and it is right next to the share button. Go ahead and click on publish to open the web publishing options. The next step is to configure the publishing options. And how do you do that? Once you click the publish button, a window will appear where you can configure how your page will be published. All right, this is pretty much it. Now go ahead and click on publish. Now you'll see a URL that will be generated for your published page, which is here already. Now you can also customize options if you want to customize the options. Now this is site customization. You can go ahead and click on that, and it's going to take you to another window where you can now customize your site. You can use site engine indexing if you want to. All right, so click on that and you can make it discoverable on the web. And after doing that, here is it. You can check edit your link title and the description. And once that is done, go backwards for you to, use further options which are here. This is link expiration. You can also customize it, either unlock with expiration. Of course, you have to unlock this link expiration with Notion Plus. You have to be a subscribed member to be able to access this feature. And of course, you can duplicate as template. Now you can allow duplication, meaning you're allowing visitors to duplicate your page into their own Notion workspace. So once this toggle is on, it means you're giving them access to duplicate your page. But if you do not want that, go ahead and toggle it off. Now, once you're done, you can copy the link of your URL from here. This is copy site link. And once you copy it, the URL is what you share to allow others to view the page on the web. Go ahead and share the link with others through email, messaging apps, or any other platform. The page will now be available to anyone who has the link based on the permissions that you set. Now, you can publish that, you can unpublish or update the settings. Now, if you no longer want your page to be accessible on the web, you can go ahead and click on the publish button again and go ahead and click on unpublish. Once you do that, that's it. It will be unpublished. You can also revisit the publish settings to update permissions or change the sharing options at any time. This method reflects the latest interface where the publish button is now the primary way to make a Notion page publicly accessible, because prior to now you did not have these options here. That's the share and the publish. But now with this updated interface, you can easily publish and manage your publish settings on Notion. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.